Thanks for tuning in again. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Olight i1R EOS keychain LED flashlight. The reason I picked this up was because I want to replace my old keychain light, which is the Streamlight Nano. This one's a 10 lumen output, and I've had this one for about 2 years. You can see it has some wear already. It's served its purpose, but I've wanted to upgrade to something that had a little more output and that was possibly rechargeable, such as this one is. So this one is IPX8 rated, so it is waterproof. The modes on this one are essentially just two modes. It has a low setting of 5 lumens and a high output of 130 lumens. The 130 lumen output is only good for 20 minutes, and at the lowest setting it's good for, I believe, over 7 hours. So let's actually look at the flashlight and see what it looks like. So flashlight it's a little chunky compared to the Nano over there, but you know it is a very different flashlight just in terms of the output. So this is going to be a twist to turn it on, but it's not turning on. I wonder. This probably has the little plastics that they usually put so they don't. Yeah, there you go. So this is gonna be probably the 5 lumens. Yep, and this is 130. That's very bright for such a small flashlight. Definitely gonna be switching to this one right away. Fortunately, the runtime on the 130 lumens is not a lot, but I mean 20 minutes is more than enough. I usually use probably be using the low setting most of the time. But it is nice to know that I can get more output out of this when needed. Let's compare this. They're about the same thickness in terms of around the head, but in terms of length, this one's probably about over 1.5 inches, and this one is about 1 inch. It's a very nice flashlight though. And here's the USB that it comes with, so you can charge it up. We should probably show where do you charge this. So let's see. So the charging is going to be right there. I don't know if you can see that. It takes about an hour to charge completely, but I think an hour to an hour and 10 or something around those lines. But it's nice to have a rechargeable flashlight. You don't got to keep buying those small batteries. So I'm gonna carry this around for a while, and I'll let you guys know how it stands up. I'm assuming some of this coating, it's gonna come off, but that's normal. I just glad to have something a little brighter than my old light. All right, thanks for watching.